I'm gonna try to do this in the span of a short, boys. You ready? Here's my Saturday afternoon hot take for you, because I'm in a mood to argue today. Everybody wants a bagger. They just don't know it yet. And that's it. That's my thesis. If you ride a motorcycle, if you ride often, you ride cruisers, you want a bagger. You just don't know it yet. And the reason I say that is because anybody that rides a cruiser probably wants storage, probably wants good wind protection, probably wants to be comfortable. The only reason they're not riding a bagger is because they think the bike's too big. They think the mass is going to be a problem. They don't think they're going to be able to control it at low speed. They don't think they're going to, it's going to be stable at high speed. They think they're not going to be strong enough to pick it up. And all of those things aren't true. If you learn the technique, you learn some finesse, you learn about counter steering and low speed techniques, anybody can ride a bagger. A 100-pound woman can ride a bagger, no problem. They just have to learn a little bit of technique, and that technique is totally attainable. There's classes online, there's people like Ride Like a Pro, Jerry Palladino, there's a ton of different places where you can learn that skill set. That skill set is totally attainable. And so, because of that fact, because the only thing separating you, the only trade-off to having all this space, all this comfort, all this handling ability is having to learn a little bit of technique, and because that technique is totally attainable, everybody wants a bagger. They just don't know it yet. Fight me.